In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel unwanted subscriptions with Rocket Money. Start by opening the Rocket Money app and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen. Head to the Subscriptions tab. This is where Rocket Money lists the recurring charges it has detected from your connected accounts, so you can see everything in one place without digging through statements. Find the subscription you want to stop and tap it to open the details page. Take a moment to review what's shown there: the cost, the billing cycle, the last charge date, and the payment method being used. This quick check helps you confirm you're looking at the correct service, especially when names are similar or a company bills under a parent brand. When you're sure it's the right one, select Cancel Subscription. The app will immediately let you know whether it can handle the cancellation automatically or whether that particular merchant requires manual steps. Either way, you'll be guided through exactly what needs to happen. If automatic cancellation is available, simply confirm your request. From there, Rocket Money contacts the merchant on your behalf, handles any necessary emails or support tickets, and secures a cancellation confirmation. You won't need to take extra action while that process runs in the background. To track progress, return to the Subscriptions tab and check the status next to that service. You'll typically see one of three states: pending while it's being processed, canceled once it's complete, or needs action. If something requires your input, you'll also get notifications when there's an update, so you don't have to keep checking. After the cancellation is confirmed, the subscription will show as canceled in the app. Rocket Money continues to monitor your accounts for future charges from that merchant and will alert you if a new billing attempt appears, giving you peace of mind that the cancellation actually stuck. For subscriptions that can't be canceled automatically, Rocket Money provides clear step-by-step instructions. You'll get a direct link to the correct cancellation page and suggested language if a phone call or chat is required. This is common with services like utilities, gyms, or local providers. Follow the prompts provided, complete the required action, and then return to the app to verify that the status updates to canceled. A few quick tips as you go. Check the billing cycle so you know whether access ends immediately or at the end of the paid period. Confirm the payment method so you're canceling the right account, and save any cancellation confirmations for your records. That's it. With these steps, you can quickly spot